Hey guys, it's me Nate here at Palm Harbor Homes here in Alvin. I just want to reach out for April 12th. We got a huge promotion going on, food, games, and sales that y'all can get. But let me show y'all this Rancho that we got. One of our newer homes that we just got last month. It's gonna be a 4-bedroom, all appliances included, and come check this out. And this is included. This might look like an ordinary pantry, but it's no ordinary pantry. It's a super huge walk-in pantry. The deep freezer is included. I mean, look at all the space to store all y'all food from Sam's or Costco. You can't beat all the space with the free deep freezer. And you still get your refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, and microwave as well. And since y'all seen all of that, let's come check out the master. I already have the king size bed in here with the walk-in closet, with the 72-inch shower. You can't beat none of that with these prices that we have here down in Alvin. So y'all can give me a call at 281-608-3958. Just ask for Nate. This house does come standard with the metal roofing, so that's a 30-year warranty that you're getting for free and that extra security for your family. My name is Nate. Again, you can call me at 281-608-3958. Down here at Alvin, Texas, Alvin Bypass 1875, Alvin, Texas 77511. Come on down.